Today I am reviewing the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6QT. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6 Quart is a premium kitchen appliance designed to bring restaurant-quality cooking right into your home. Right out of the box, this air fryer impresses with its sleek dark gray finish and a spacious 6-quart square basket, giving you enough room to prepare meals for the entire family without cluttering your kitchen counter. One of the standout features of the Cosori TurboBlaze is its innovative TurboBlaze technology, which delivers a 3,600 revolutions per minute fan speed and temperatures reaching up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This high-powered airflow ensures that every dish you cook is perfectly crispy on the outside while remaining juicy and tender on the inside, whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, or even dehydrating. Cooking precision is another area where the Cosori excels. With its 5-fan speed system and temperature range from 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can achieve evenly cooked dishes with consistent texture every time. Paired with a premium ceramic-coated basket and crisper tray, this air fryer is non-stick, durable, and heat-resistant, making it both safe and easy to use. Cleaning up is a breeze, thanks to the dishwasher-safe components, so you can spend more time enjoying your meals and less time scrubbing. The Cosori TurboBlaze isn't just about cooking, it's about cooking smart. Its TurboBlaze technology also speeds up meal preparation by circulating hot air efficiently, reducing cooking times and helping you serve family meals faster, even on busy days. And for health-conscious cooks, it uses up to 95% less oil compared to traditional deep frying, meaning you can enjoy all your favorite crispy foods guilt-free. With 9 cooking functions built in, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, frozen, proof, reheat, and keep warm, the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze offers maximum versatility. Whether you want to crisp golden French fries, roast a whole chicken, bake fresh cookies, or even proof dough, this air fryer has you covered. Its customizable preheat function allows you to adjust the preheat time based on your recipe, ensuring optimal results every time. Another notable feature is the quiet operation. Even at its highest fan speed, the TurboBlaze runs at less than 53 decibels, so your kitchen stays peaceful while cooking. And for those who enjoy guided cooking, the 30-recipe cookbook included offers step-by-step instructions with beautiful pictures, curated by in-house chefs and registered dietitians. Overall, the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6 Quart is a powerhouse in the kitchen, combining speed, precision, and convenience. Its extra-large capacity, premium ceramic coating, precise heating system, and versatile cooking modes make it an essential tool for families, busy professionals, and anyone who loves crispy, delicious, and healthy meals. With the Cosori TurboBlaze, cooking is faster, easier, and smarter, all while saving time and oil. Truly a game-changer for modern kitchens.